Hey, welcome back everyone to the new video of JS Buffer. In this video, we are going to see the concat method of an array. So concat method is used to concat the two arrays given in the JavaScript. So if we create multiple arrays over here, let's create three arrays and let's see how to concat those arrays over here. So let me just create constant of _1 equals to 1 2 3. Let me create other two arrays as well. 4 5 6, and let's create the third array as 7 8 9, and this is constant _3. So these are the three arrays that we have created over here. Now let's create another variable constant of _4 equals to, what we can do _1 dot concat _2 over here. So what will happen over here is _2 will be concat to _1, and this concat method will return the new array. It will return the shallow copy of the array. So there won't be any changes to the _1 array itself. So if we do console log over here _4 and let's run this, here you can see that we are getting the array that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are getting the final result after the concatenation of the two arrays over here. Now if we add the _1 over here, you can see that there won't be any change to this particular array. You can see that this array is itself 1 2 3 only. There is no change in the _1 array, so it will always return the shallow copy of the array. Now here we can add the multiple arrays as well. If we want to concat _3 as well, then we can add multiple parameters this way. So _2 and _3 will concat to _1 array. If we run this again, here you can see that we are getting the array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this way we can concat the arrays. Now if you want to add the extra elements as well, after adding the two arrays, we can add multiple elements. Suppose 20 21 22 we want to add, we can add the data this way as well. So this particular things will also be added to the _1 array, and it will return the new array itself. So let's run this again, and here you can see that we are getting the data over here. Now after this, we can also we can add the array as well. So if I do A B C, this way also is valid over here. So we can pass the array as well over here. So if you run this, we will get the same result over here. You can see that. So this is how the concat method will work to concat multiple arrays. So that's it in this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.